Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check Microsoft Office version, how to check Microsoft Word version. First, we're going to go ahead and search for the Word app, and we are going to open Microsoft Word. So click on it, and I have a document open right here. You can also click on blank document if this shows for you, and we're just going to open up a random blank document. And after that, click on File right here at the top left part of your screen and click on Account from the options at the left part of your screen. On Account right here. And as you can see, you will be able to see your Microsoft version right here. I have the Microsoft 365 apps for Enterprise, and you might find the exact version or the year that you have for your Microsoft Office version. You can find it right here, and you can also change the update options. You can click on update now, disable, view updates, and whatever you prefer to update your Microsoft version on your computer. And that is how you can basically check Microsoft Office version. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.